Whom do you think about when I say Tesla? Is it Elon Musk? Whom do you think about when I say Apple? Is it Steve Jobs? Whom do you think about when I say Reliance? Is it the Ambani family? Do you know why this is happening? Because all these corporate giants have a face attached to it, and this is because of personal branding. A lot of my clients come and tell me that we are manufacturers, we are into tangible products. हमें personal branding की क्या जरूरत है? बॉस अगर इन लोगों को personal branding की जरूरत है तो आपको क्यों नहीं? Do you know अमन गुप्ता की जो कंपनी है बोट, उसका वैल्यूएशन 50x बढ़ गया है after he came on Shark Tank. Why did that happen? Because the company got a face to the company. Do you know Mamaearth IPO launch कैसे कर रहा है? Because Miss Alag was on Shark Tank, and because the company got a face on Shark Tank, उसका valuation बढ़ गया. What are you waiting for? Are you a manufacturer? Are you a tangible product owner who still feels कि personal branding मेरे लिए नहीं है? Yes, business branding आप कर रहे हैं, लेकिन साथ साथ personal branding भी कीजिए, बहुत जरूरी है, because today people need a face to the company. What are you thinking about? Just comment down and let's work together in building a personal brand.